Top's fine. Yeah, bottom. It looks like water was sitting in there.
Cylinder heads look good.
That's not supposed to look like that, is it?
No.
My goodness.
We decided to go ahead and do a little aftermath video and kind of going back over the boat project. You know, we've had it to where it was seized and we got it unstuck, and then we had an issue with the lifters and we got those unstuck, and then we got it running and rebuilt the carburetor, and I think you guys saw that. But now we know that the block is completely cracked, and just in case you didn't see the other video, check this out. It's a huge crack. And we got a 5-gallon bucket full of water and oil. So we decided, you know what, let's just kind of take it apart and see what happens. So I got the head actually ready to pull off. All right, here, hold this.
Yeah, I'll hold it. I don't want to go too, I don't want to damage the valve. There it goes.
All right, wow, dude, they look great. Wow, just like we thought. Man, combustion chambers all look good. That looks fantastic. What a shame. This thing was gonna be fine. Oh no. Look at this crack though. Look at, that's crazy. Well, so that's the first side. We're gonna pull off the other, but that's a good thing because the cylinder heads are good, so I'm gonna take that as a win. Unfortunately, this sucks that this block is cracked, but we got a little surprise for y'all in a little while tonight that might be hope for this thing. But anyway, we're gonna get back after pulling the other head off. All right, Mr. Lesniak, what's the verdict here?
It's damn good, man.
That sucks so bad.
This one has a slight. It's got a slight ring on the very top.
Yeah, may have been where it was sitting when it sat, when it
Yeah,
rocked.
a little bit. Yeah, a little bit right here. Whatever, I would have sent that.
Yeah.
Yeah, top's fine. Yeah, bottom. It looks like water was sitting in there.
Cylinder heads look good.
That's not supposed to look like that, is it?
No.
My goodness.
This one's like impressive. Like there is a. I don't even know where to start.
Well, there she is.
R.I.P.
Sad ending to what looks like would have been a great motor.
those with a really good eye may have already figured out that we were throwing another Vortec V6 on the engine stand. Did we go out and buy one since the other block is cracked for the boat? Answer is no. And this is a really, really cool story. If I'm lying, I'm dying. But in a storage facility very similar to the one we're in now, in a different part of town where we grew up, where we actually perhaps consumed a couple alcoholic beverages before we were of age to do so, we found a 4.3 liter V6 that someone had left basically an abandoned. And my buddy Tommy, who had a storage set out there as well, picked it up. And he knew that it's kind of a desired thing for the Typhoon, to build a marine motor or a Vortec motor, just because they've got a little bit better heads and a couple other things than the stock 4.3s that are in the Typhoon. And he's like, hey Greg, do you want this? We found it. Greg's like, yeah, why not? And we've actually had it in storage, sitting on the ground probably for 10 years. Never knew what we were gonna do with it, but we're like, why not? So what a fantastic opportunity, and a very, very lucky thing, if it's any good, to have. So we're gonna tear it down, pull all the accessories and stuff off of it, pull the heads off, and see what we're working with. And if it's got any potential, maybe we'll put it in the boat. So yeah, let's get to tearing it down and seeing what condition it's in. Alright, not too bad so far, but we just don't know why this motor was abandoned. So it's a balance shaft motor. It's clean. Looks a little old, but I'm not seeing anything to be concerned about.
Same exact.
Does this move?
Yeah, that spins.
Okay, because I can see
Yeah.
the bearing in
Yeah, no, yeah, it goes with the can.
It's been sitting for a while. I'm taking that whole gasket. Okay.
Literally the same as the other ones.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Get off of there.
Is it other side you use for the little pole?
10 minutes. Getting back after it. Alright, well, there goes nothing until you get these heads off. Oof. Yep. Oh, nope, it's done.
Oh. That
That's rust.
sat on the side there so long.
Oh, here's all. Let's see. I mean, we can try to see if it's gonna work. You sure you get them all out?
Yep.
Oh boy. Well, show you guys what we got. I don't have a clue if this block is any good or not. If it is, definitely gonna have to be bored.
Yeah.
And I don't know if you can bore all that out of it. Oh my god, it gets worse over there.
Wow, what the hell happened to that thing?
Water stayed in it. The rest of it doesn't look bad. There's that's some kind of maybe rodent poop. I don't know.
Yeah, this side's good.
That side is not.
I don't know.
Ooh,
Oh, no, that's
no, it's just definitely some scoring and some. See that line right there?
Yeah.
I don't know. Motor has some miles on it. It might be a good cord, might not.
I don't feel anything there.
But hey,
Looks like it's a 30 over motor.
you think so? Does it show it on the pistons? Usually it does.
Oh no, I mean that's what we need.
Oh, we need to do at least 30 over. Yeah. Yeah, and if we did that, we can use the marine crank out of the other motor. Which means we have to pull it out of there to be able to use it in this.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's kind of
I don't know.
still don't know what we're doing. But we wanted to show you guys tearing down the boat, seeing how bad that was, and us coming after this thing that we've had for a very, very long time. But it's not promising over there
No.
at all. It feels pretty terrible.
Ooh, man. No,
Feel the top. Feel the top, dude. Like run your hand like this.
Oh yeah.
So this thing probably sat with water in it in that cylinder for a very long time. Well, upon further review, after looking at this thing, we're really taking it in and really evaluating that right there. Pretty sure it's gonna be crate motor or no motor, I'm thinking. So we've got to make a decision. We don't have to make it right now. We're pooped. It's been a long ass day. We're gonna drink some beers.
Yep.
Just drown in our sorrow and figure it out another day. So until next time, you know the deal. Y'all be good.